Okay, so first off, the packaging.
Brian Little.
Japan.
Hey, welcome back to another video. My name is Joy Louise. If this is your first time here, I am a fashion designer and stylist, and today's video is going to be a little bit different, you guys. Today, I want to talk about Black luxury designers and really shine a spotlight on an up-and-coming one that I'm going to say it here. I'm not sure if I'm saying it first, but I am going to say it. She's a name to look out for. I am talking about Nichole Lynel. She has a really inspiring success story that I think you guys should look into, but also the girl is a creative and design genius. And I think that you're really going to enjoy today's video. So we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Lunchbox 2, which is, it is the cutest little bag I've ever seen. When I saw it, I knew I had to have it, and I finally was able to get my hands on one. Now that I'm sitting down making this video, the bag is sold out. However, there are other versions that you can purchase, and I am hoping that she'll bring it back maybe for the holidays, maybe in a different colorway. God help my purse. So I want to get into the unboxing, and then a little bit later on in the video, I want to talk more about Nichole and the other items that she carries. One thing I want to point out, Nichole, if you're watching this video, girl, us plus size girls are waiting. We are waiting, and we will pay. Our money is green, girl. And every time I see something, whether it's from Shop Nichole Lynel or NL the label, I want it, but it don't come in my size. So all of my plus size ladies, if you watch this video and if this is me putting you on to Nichole and her designs and her boutique, make sure that y'all head over to her IG page, Nichole Lynel, Shop Nichole Lynel, NL the label, and let her know that her stuff is bomb and us curvy and plus size ladies want it too. I think the more that we do that, the more she might make it happen. I mean, I'm praying. But being a designer and a stylist and being submerged in fashion, when I see a designer that is really killing it and I can kind of see them catapulting, you know, further into success and really breaking boundaries and really just giving us fashion, I always want to spotlight them. So let's get into this unboxing. Okay, so first off, the packaging. Nichole is all about her branding. She's all about providing an experience, providing the NL experience. And I think that, once again, coming from a girl who's literally been submerged in the world of fashion since she was 5, it calls me and I appreciate it. And I don't second guess spending my coins. I don't. There's no question of, is it worth it? There's no question of, do I see the value? I see the care in the presentation from everything of how this has been shipped to me. So let's get into this box. I am not going to untie the ribbon because I want to keep it, and I will be keeping my purse in this box. Luxury items, or even, you know, items that you love, that you want to preserve and, you know, make sure that they're kept well and last you a long time. It's always great to keep them in their boxes and dusters. I believe Nichole has sent the box and a duster, so this bag is going to be kept in almost mint condition. So let's go in, and then we can pull it off just like this. And the ribbon is here. Now, okay, so there's a note. Thank you for all the love and support, Love and L. Love that. You know, this is a level of luxury that you as a designer or business owner can provide in any experience and almost at any price point. Luxury doesn't always have to be, you know, expensive, but it's all about the experience. So I love that this is here, and I'll definitely be keeping this. I love that. So this looks like the packing slip. And then let's see what this other paper is. Oh, credit and exchange form. This ain't going back. This bag is not going back. So we have a layer of tissue paper, you guys. So I'm gonna put the box down. Okay. So the bag comes, she's so cute, I can feel it already. Definitely quality, a sturdy bag. But the duster is like this thick muslin material that is really gonna help in preserving this bag. Let's see. You guys. This bag is adorable. Now, this is my first Nichole Lynel NL purchase, and the reason for that obviously is because she is not yet carrying plus sizes. Not yet. I'm going to speak that into existence, and y'all are going to help me make that happen. But I did not own a denim handbag. I know. I did not own a denim handbag. So when I saw this distressed denim version, because I think there was a denim version before this one, but I loved how this had a little bit more character. The bag does come with protective, you know, casings, like the styrofoam that was on the tassels here. And then also protective here. I'm gonna actually take this off because I'm wearing this bag out today. So the tassel zippers here. And then there's a top handle strap here. You guys, this bag is adorable. I really can't say any, really, Stink Man? And there's a pocket at the back. I can imagine, I don't know what I would put in that pocket, but I'm sure it's gonna come in handy. So let's go in and open this bag up. So here we are. There is a crossbody strap on the inside. So I do want to take this apart, as I told you, I'm wearing her out today. Now, I did want to know, because I am plus size and busty, I am a little concerned about the crossbody because I am plus sized. And I'm wondering what that will look like for me. So I don't know if I'll be able to cross it, but I will be able to carry it on my shoulder and as a top handle. So I'm fine with that. So here's the bag without the strap, and then we're gonna put the strap on. The strap claws are super high quality in comparison to other bags that I've had. And you guys, this is just the cutest little bag. It really is. This bag retailed for $281. I know you came here to find out if it was, and I'm telling you, it's 100% worth it. I am in love with this little purse. It is the perfect size. I also ordered the black leather version of this bag, and I can't wait to have that as well. You guys let me know if you want me to do a unboxing and review of that handbag. Even though it's the same concept, they are not the same bag, which is why I ordered that one and this one, and which is why I'll probably be ordering others. So if you've been considering picking up this bag or any of the other lunchbox bags from Nichole's designer label, I'm giving you the green light. Do it, sis. Do it. I think that Nichole understands the assignment. She understands the assignment and understands luxury, understands quality, understands value, understands branding, understands the experience that us women expect when we're shopping and when we're spending our money. I really can't tell you more about this bag and why you should get it. I mean, look at it. The other bag I'm looking into getting is the work leather handbag. It screams boss, and I need that. And I love black and gold in my handbags. I think it's a very classic style that goes with everything. And I'm super excited about ordering that one. So many chic outfits with that one. And then also, I've really been eyeing the pink one, which I think is currently sold out, but I think she's going to be releasing other colorways over the fall and winter season. So make sure you keep an eye out for those. Let's see what else. For right now, that's it, because as I mentioned earlier, I can't really wear any of the other designs that she has for another label because she hasn't expanded sizing yet, but I think it's going to happen. So you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure that you subscribe, click the notification bell so that you don't miss an upload from me. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Brian Little.